Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel Login Aid. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to display Play Voice during phone calls in Google Maps. Play Voice during phone calls allows Google Maps to continue providing voice navigation prompts even while you are on phone call. So, to display Play Voice during phone calls, you need to first open your Google Maps application on your mobile phone. Now make sure that you are logged into your Google account. After this, now tap on your Google account profile present on the top right corner. With this, now here you'll be able to find settings. Now tap on settings option. After this, scroll down and look for navigation settings. Then tap on navigation settings option. Now here you can see play voice during phone calls. As you can see that my play voice during phone calls is turned off. Now to turn it on, tap on the small notch present near play voice during phone calls. With this, you'll be able to display play voice during phone calls in Google Maps. That means Google Maps will continue providing voice navigation even when you are on your call. This is how we can display play voice during phone calls in Google Maps. This is it for tutorial everyone. Hope this tutorial was helpful to you all. If you like today's tutorial, make sure you like, share, subscribe to our YouTube channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.